So let's start drawing the AutoCAD. So to begin with, let's talk about a strategy. So suppose you are drawing it, this front view using a pencil. What you do is you'll start from here, this point, you draw a 50 mm line, vertical line, 35 horizontal, just like that you complete the whole drawing. Okay, so that's exactly what we are going to do. So the first thing you have to do is type units, press enter, make sure the units is in millimeters. Okay, then start drawing, pick the line. So specify the first point. I'm going to specify the first point here. Now if I see the line is, so to complete the line I just need to pick the next point using my left click. Okay, you just click your mouse somewhere here, you get the next point. But since I want a straight line exactly 90 degrees, I'm going to use something called ortho mode. See the ortho mode, now it's off. I'm going to make it on. So the good thing is if I move my pointer this way, I'll get a vertical line. If I move my pointer this way, I'll get a horizontal line. So only lines obtained will be horizontal and vertical. So to draw a 50 mm line, I just need to type 50 mm, the dimension straight away, and press enter. So I guess you can see that line. It's a very small line. So to terminate the line command, I just need to press the enter button once again, and use my scroll, okay, trackball to zoom in. Okay, you can use the trackball to zoom in, and if you press the trackball like this, you can use the pan button also. Okay, you press the trackball and move the mouse, you can pan it. Okay, so that's my 50 mm line. Now next thing I have to do is I have to draw this 35 25, and I don't know the length of the slanting line, so I will stop here. Okay, after drawing 35 and 25, then I will start drawing from this point to get to this point, and then I will connect both. So that's the idea. So 35 mm. So again the line command, pick this point. Okay, 35, type 35, line is horizontal, press enter, you get your 35 mm line. Vertical 20, press enter, again horizontal 25, press enter. So that's it. I'm going to terminate that at that point. So to terminate, just press enter once again. Okay, now again the line command, from this point horizontal 30 mm, press enter, 15 mm, press enter, 10 mm, press enter, 15 mm downwards, press enter, then 10 mm again horizontal, press enter, then upwards you have 5 mm, press enter. Again you move the pointer so that you get a horizontal line, then again 25, press enter. Okay, and upside 10, press enter, and to terminate, press again enter. So you get 2 points. Only thing you have to do is you just need to connect points. So you don't need to don't need to terminate actually, just to show you how it is done. I'm doing this. Okay, press enter to terminate. That's your front view. So I'm going to move it right here. I'm going to use another no, I'm going to use a construction line. Okay, can you see the construction line? Pick this point and this point, so that, and that's it. I'm going to press enter, terminate that. So I get a X5 line. So next I'm going to draw the top view. The top view, it's a 75 mm by 60 mm full rectangle. This is 75 mm and this is 60 mm. So I'm going to use something called offset command to complete this. Okay, so the idea is very simple. I'm going to draw this outer rectangle first, and then to draw this line I'm going to use something called offset command. So I'm going to show you. So make sure this is to draw the projector. What you do using a pencil, what you do is you use a scale and pencil to draw the projector. Here just click the line. Okay, I'm going to press the escape button to show that once again. I'm going to click the line like this. So the blue button, again I click that and drag it down. Now what I've done is I stretch the line. Now if I press escape, it goes. Okay, I'm going to start my line somewhere here. Okay, somewhere here, right? So this side is 75 mm again, 60, 75. Okay, again press enter. So I just want to discard this one, or else let's say I am using a eraser to rub this line because I don't want to show the projector line as a solid line. So I'm going to use something called trim, 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 press enter, select objects or select all. Okay, I'm going to select this one. Okay, this object, and this object. Okay, so after selecting, I just need to press enter once again. So if I select all these objects, if I move my pointer above the line, then it will show you an into mark. If I click that, it will be gone, just like that. And if you press escape button again, you're back to normal. So using the offset, OFFSET, don't need to type the whole thing, just need to type O and press enter. So offset command, press enter, specify distance to offset. So what is the distance that we need to offset? Distance is, what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw another line parallel to this line here, the left side. Towards the left side of this line, I'm going to draw a line. So the distance is 15 mm. So I'm going to specify the distance as 15 mm. Press enter. Specify, select the object to offset. So this is my object. Selecting it, selecting the left side, click it, you get the object. Okay, press escape. See, it's as simple as that. So now to complete the whole thing, what I'm going to do is to draw this line also. I'm going to offset, this is 25 mm distance apart. So I'm going to offset this line at a 25 mm distance so that I get this line. And so I'm going to rub off the in between portions using trim command. And again, I'm going to draw this line using offsetting this horizontal line to this direction, this horizontal line to this direction. The distance between 15 and 15. And this distance is also 15. Okay. So 35 minus 20, you get 15. So show you. So again type offset command, press enter, specify distance. First I'm gonna do the 25 mm line, so specify offset distance 25, press enter. This side, okay, enter that. Again, if you press enter, you specify offset distance as 15, okay, and then offset this to this here, pick this point, click here, pick this line, click here. All right, now it's done. Press escape. Now what? Trim, 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 press enter, and I'm going to select whole object. Okay, whole object. Oh, it's not like that. Whole object. And then once I selected all the objects, press enter button, select object to trim. So I don't want this thing, I want this thing. I do want this thing, so I'm not going to click that. I don't want this thing. We have a C shape, right? So C shape, okay, in between. Basically what you are doing is you are rubbing off the unwanted lines. See, this is what you have to do. It's correct, right? Okay. One more thing, these lines. So if I click it, it doesn't go. Why is that? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to escape it and click it just like this. So trim is actually trimming the unwanted portion. Now this the trim command doesn't cannot execute here. So just select that line, that bit of line, and delete it. You select it just like this. Okay, and then press the delete button. Okay, so that's your drawing. How much time it took? Very few, right? All right.